Hoka hey BOOZHOO. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Anamaki Widikom, moth. Anamaki Widikom, moth. Not to be confused with mamengwa, which is a butterfly. Anamaki Widikom is a moth. And this is the story of Anamaki Widikom and the podiatrist's office. So back in the days of the grandfathers, Anamaki Widikom was very sad. The little moth was depressed. So he goes into the podiatrist's office. And he says, "Doctor, can you help me? I am so depressed. I have no joy in my life. Every day it's a struggle just to get out of bed. Every day I wonder, why do I continue? Should I just, end it all?" And the podiatrist says, geez, I'm really sorry about your problems, sir. But you see, I am a podiatrist. I work on the feet. What you want is a psychiatrist. And, that's a different kind of doctor. And besides, it says right on the door there, I'm a podiatrist. Why did you come in here? And the moth said, well, the light was on. The light was on. Get it? Yeah, all right. Okay, well, hey, just want to welcome you all to the show. Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. This is the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. And I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa. Well, the west side of Chicago is the baddest part of town. Well, the south side of Chicago is the baddest part of town. And if you go down there, you better just beware of a man called Leroy Brown. Well, Leroy, more than trouble. You see, you stand about 6'4". All the downtown ladies call him treetop lover, and the men just call him sir. And it's bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. Now Leroy, he a gambler, and he like his fancy clothes, and he like to wear his diamond rings in front of everybody's nose. He got a Lincoln Continental, he got an Eldorado too, he got a 32 gun in his pocket for fun, and a razor in his shoe. And it's bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. Well, Leroy, about a week ago, Leroy shooting dice, and at the edge of the bar sat a girl named Doris, and ooh, that girl looked nice. Well, he cast his eyes upon her, and the trouble soon began. And Leroy Brown learned a lesson about messing with the wife of a jealous man. And it's bad bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. Well, the two men took to fighting, and when they pulled them from the floor, Leroy looked like a jigsaw puzzle with a couple of pieces gone. And it's bad, bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. He was badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. He was badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. Curtains through and a new day starts, and I see a change in my life, and I'm not alone when I'm strong inside and I realize everybody's got a reason to live, baby. Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO.